Hello, everybody, and welcome. So, today we are going to be learning the song Lion by Elevation Worship. So, there are several parts to this song, like we have about the four main parts: intro, verse, chorus, and bridge. Let's learn it in proper sequence. So, I'm going to start out with the chords, okay, the kinds of chords, and how many chords do we have in this song. So, we have about 9 different chords, and the key of the song is D minor, okay, so it's on the D minor. That's the key, right? So, Lion of Judah, so that's the key. But then imagine if I was supposed to be doing this, performing this song, I'd probably do. Let me see. For me, I would do it probably on a G minor. So, Hail, hail, Lion of Judah, let the lion roar. Hail, hail, Lion of Judah, let the lion roar. So that's what I mean by the pitch. Okay, so let's come back to the chords of the song. We basically have the song, the whole key is D minor, right? So that's how D minor is played. That's a D, F, A. That's on my right hand. And on the left hand, I play the note D. I can double it, right? So it goes D minor. And then comes B flat major 7, which is, I play the same D minor on my right hand, but on the left hand, I would just add the B flat note. Okay. Now basically that becomes a B flat chord. Okay, so this is the B flat chord, and all I'm doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll need to add the major 7 to make it. So that's basically D minor 7 added B flat, right? And then we have the third chord, which is B flat itself. So on the left hand, I have a B flat, and on the right hand, I have a B flat, D, F. All right? I'm playing all of these chords in its root form. Okay, root form meaning whatever the name of the chord is, that's going to be the first note that I'm playing, and then the other notes. All right, and then the C major. Okay, and then we have C suspended. C suspended is basically, the third note is what decides if it's a major or a minor. C major, C minor, right? So if you suspend that and add a second or the fourth, would be a suspended chord. So in this case, it's a C, D, G. That's a C suspended. And the left hand, again, you can double it or you can just play the single notes, right? And then you have F major, F, A, C on the right hand, and F on the left hand, and then F major 6th. Okay, major 6th would be, you play the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you add the 6th note. So it's, see that? And then comes G major chord. That's a G, B, D. And the left hand again, G note. All right. And then we have G suspended, which is suspend the third note and make it the second. That's it. And the left hand remains G. All right. So that's about playing the chords of the song. Now let's go ahead, get to know the parts of the song itself. Okay, so we have 4 main parts to the song. One is the intro, verse, chorus, and bridge. Okay, now all of these parts are repeated at a different, in a certain sequence actually. In fact, we start out, this is the sequence. So it starts out with the intro, and then we go to the verse 1, then the chorus, then the verse 2, chorus, bridge, it's repeated, and then they finish it. All right, so that's the sequence of the song. Let's go ahead and learn the intro of the song. So for the intro, we basically have D minor and B flat major 7. So as I already told you, D minor is D, F, A, right? So let's do, so what they're doing is the note D is repeated. See that? That's the way they play the intro. So let me do it once again. The note D is repeated. Alright, and then comes the verse of the song, and the verse goes out like this. God of Jacob, the great I am. So it's basically, but if you look at the chords of the first two lines, it's just like the intro. So what am I doing? I'm just playing it, each of these chords 4 times. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You want to play the whole chord 4 times? It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes voice of many waters, song of heaven's throne, louder than the thunder, make your glory known. See that? So basically all of these chords are played like 4 times. Now if I'm playing it, I would be also playing it not in this order. Probably I may be playing it like this, like I would play an inversion. The reason is, I mean, it makes it more fuller to sound like this. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you should go ahead, just stick to playing the root form. That is, if you're a D minor, just play the D. That's a root form, right? And for C major, you just play, right? But then, if you know a little more than a beginner stuff, then you probably can go ahead, use the inversion. Just move the A at the beginning, so it goes like this. God of Jacob, the great I am, King of angels, the Son of man, voice of many waters, song of heaven's throne, louder than the thunder, make your glory known. So that's the way I would be playing it if I'm playing it in this key. So after the verse 1 comes the chorus, which is basically D minor, C major, B flat major, and finally we have F major and G major also in that. So let's go. So I'm playing it on the root form. So Hail, hail, Lion of Judah, let the lion roar. Now what's happening? Look at this. Look at the way it's played out in terms of the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So it goes. Hail, hail, Lion of Judah, down. Let the lion roar. Hail, hail, Lion of Judah. Let the lion roar. Right. So what's happening is, in terms of the beat, D minor is played 3 times. So look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth would be the C major, and coming to B flat major, which is 4 times again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the last part of it, let me do it again. Hail, hail, Lion of Judah, let the lion roar. Hail, hail, Lion of Judah, let the lion roar. So the last G would be, the B flat is 2 counts, and then the G major is 2 counts. So let me play it. Hail, hail, Lion of Judah, let the lion roar. Hail, hail, Lion of Judah, let the lion roar. So when it comes to the last line, that is the B flat and G. So we have B flat twice. So let the lion roar. And for the G major, we're playing it 4 times, all right? All right. So, and then after that, we move on to the second verse. which is basically the same chords as verse 1. Let's try. Pride of Zion, the prophet spoke, our Messiah, flesh and bones. You alone are worthy. Open up the scroll. Like a lamb you suffered, but the lion has arose. See that? The same chord format. So you have D minor, B flat major, C major, B flat major, right? So that's the verse 2, and now let's go to the next part, which should be the chorus. We sing the chorus and then we come to the bridge. Prepare the way, all right? Okay, so this is how we play the bridge of the song. So it starts out with the B flat. We know the chord, right? So B flat major, and then the C suspended, then we have G suspended, and F major 6. So let's go ahead. Prepare the way of the Lord, prepare the way of the Lord, prepare the way of the Lord, prepare the way of the Lord. Alright, so that's the way we play the first part of the bridge, and then comes, O valley, be raised up. Oh, so it goes, O valley, be raised up. O mountain, be made low. O valley, be raised up. O mountain, be made low. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So throughout the bridge, we are basically playing each of these chords for 2 counts. So it goes 1, 2, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, a 1, 2. Alright, so that's how we play the bridge of the song. And you know what, my friends? With that, you've finished the song. That's amazing. Congratulations, my friends. So we finished the verse. You see the sequence right on top. Intro, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, bridge. The next would be the chorus and the bridge. It repeats and we finish it. So my dear friends, if you like this lesson, please hit a thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and also if you would like to participate into a community of people who are learning to play the piano, some of the best worship songs. So we have this group called the Church Piano Music Method. So here is a Facebook group link. So if you would like to participate and join in, it's a free group for anybody to join in. So go ahead, click at the link at the description and join the group. Cheers, take care, God bless.